Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll be talking about how you can maintain your restaurant kitchen equipment effectively to avoid nasty surprises between your routine checkups or warranty work. Stick around, as we'll be diving into 4 key preventive maintenance tasks that will ensure peak performance of your commercial kitchen equipment. We'll be covering areas such as condenser coil cleaning, inspecting door gaskets and hinges, filter maintenance, and even tips for caring for your combi oven. So let's get started. First up, it's crucial to clean the condenser coils in your refrigeration unit. These units are vital for storing ingredients, but when the condenser coil gets covered in dust or grease, it can negatively impact the performance of the unit. Large buildups of debris can increase the temperature inside the cooling cabinet, leading to higher power consumption and potentially breaking the compressor. This could result in increased repair costs, downtime, and even spoiled products. So how often should you clean the condenser coil? Most manufacturers recommend doing this once every 3 months. It's a pretty straightforward task that doesn't require much time or effort. All you need is a screwdriver to remove the unit's front grille and a powerful vacuum to clean off the dust. Be sure to follow the specific instructions in the unit's owner's manual. And remember, if the coil has any visible damage, it's best to have it replaced by an authorized service technician. Next on our list is to regularly check the door gaskets and hinges on your equipment, whether it's refrigerators or ovens. Dirty or damaged gaskets can allow air or heat to escape from the unit, which can overwork the equipment. Every couple of months, clean off any grease or debris using a clean cloth with warm water and soap. If grease is stuck on the gasket, use a non-abrasive sponge and degreasing agent. If you notice any rips or tears, follow the replacement procedure in the equipment manual or contact a technician to replace the gasket. Loose or broken hinges can also cause the door to stay ajar. To fix this, simply fasten the screws using the appropriate screwdriver. If the hinges need to be replaced, make sure the new ones are specific to your model. For instance, if the unit uses flush hinges, the replacements should also be flush. Using offset options can keep the door cracked open, preventing it from properly sealing shut. Our third preventive maintenance task is to clean or replace your filters. This should be done at least every 2 months and applies to all major units, from ice machines and refrigerators to fryers and ovens. Too much dust or grease on the filters can prevent proper air ventilation or water flow. You can use a vacuum and degreasing agent to remove any debris and stuck-on grease. If the filters are really dirty, you can clean them with a damp cloth and warm water. In some cases, a filter covered in heavy amounts of dirt or grease is better off being replaced. This prevents any further damage from popping up after increased usage. Commercial fryers, for example, use a special kind of filter called filter paper, or envelopes, which catch leftover food particles at the bottom of the fry pot, so the oil is free from debris. Because of its thin construction, filter paper should at least be replaced every few days. If you use your fryer very frequently, consider replacing the paper daily. Last but not least, let's talk about caring for your combi oven. The combi oven is versatile, combining convection, steam, and combination cooking, letting you do everything from baking to poaching in one place. That's why routine cleaning and maintenance is key to increasing a combi's lifespan. Since the steam mode injects water into the oven, large buildups of calcium and mineral deposits can find their way onto the steam generator. Make sure you descale the oven according to the manufacturer's recommended time cycle. You should also clean the intake fan on a weekly basis. A clean intake fan helps keep hot air flowing around the cooking chamber, which is crucial for convection cooking. Before you start any maintenance project, always check to see if the parts you're maintaining show any signs of damage. To keep the unit in peak performance, have an authorized technician use original equipment manufacturer or OEM parts. OEM food service parts are designed to fit and function on your exact piece of equipment, ensuring it stays safe, efficient, and protected under warranty. Remember, regular preventive maintenance can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches down the line. So, keep your kitchen equipment in top shape and your restaurant running smoothly with these 4 key tasks. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered 4 key preventive maintenance tasks: cleaning condenser coils, inspecting door gaskets and hinges, maintaining filters, and caring for your combi oven. Remember, these tasks can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches down the line. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. For more information about UpKeep and how we can help you maintain your restaurant kitchen equipment, visit our website at upkeep.com.